Hey, Jonathan Perry with Perry Law Firm, estate planning for everyone. In a previous video, I talked about a gentleman I had met with from the Broussard area who had been divorced, had done a previous will, and 2 years after the divorce, he then decides to attend the seminar, comes in for me to kind of go over his estate planning, his previous will that he had not changed, left everything to his ex-wife. He also had some retirement accounts and things of that nature with the beneficiary, and he had not changed that. So until we go through and change his estate planning documents, if something happens to him, his ex-wife would have gotten everything. Nothing anybody would have been able to do about that. So in this video, I want to address something very specific. And one of the things is I often get asked after a seminar or when I meet with somebody on that free initial visit, is they say, okay, look, I have a 401k, IRA, annuity, life insurance. All these things have a beneficiary. If I pass away, does that have to go through the succession process? And the answer is no. Okay? And the reason being is because anything with a named beneficiary does not need to go through the succession process. Basically, it is an independent contract that you have with the policy owner, whether it's on a retirement account, whether it's on investment accounts, or whether it's a life insurance policy. And when you pass away, it's going to pay out directly to the person that is named as the beneficiary. They may have to supply a death certificate or something of that nature, but that does not need to go through the succession process. And a little caveat, a little extra information. Some attorneys don't want me to say this, but if you go in to talk to an attorney about doing a succession on someone who has passed away in your family, they don't need to know how much is in those accounts because they're not going to be dealing with that in the succession process, but that might set a little bit of your legal fees, if you understand what I'm saying. So anyways, named beneficiaries will avoid the succession process. Hope this helps.